Hi, my name is Gabby, and I'm really excited to have you here. I'm gonna give you a tour of my apartment. I'm gonna show you a couple things that I got from Wayfair, Amazon, IKEA, and other places I can't think of right now. Full disclaimer, I never really fully finished furnishing my apartment because, let's be real, it's a little bit of money and I already spent a lot. And I'm actually gonna move out again soon, so I figured I'm just gonna finish at the other apartment. I'm gonna start off with this couch. It is my favorite piece in the apartment. I remember talking to my parents and being like, if there is something that I'm willing to spend a lot of money on, it's gonna be my sofa. And I don't know, my way of thinking was, this is the first time I'm living by myself. I don't have kids, I don't have pets. So if I want a white couch, the time is now, because it's not gonna get dirty. Little secret, I still put a blanket over it when my close friends come over because I'm just scared that someone's gonna spill something on it. Alright, so don't mind me. I'm gonna be looking down on my computer because I can't remember verbatim of what the couch is called. It's called an Austin white fabric with right-facing chase and a cuddler sectional. I made sure that it was not leather because at the time I didn't know if I was gonna get pets or not, but that's okay. It feels incredible. I'll show you right now. So this is what my sofa looks like. I spend nights here sometimes when I'm just watching TV and I pass out. It's super soft, the best investment I've ever made. I would fully recommend it to anyone who's looking for something white, comfortable, and just looks really nice. So next we're gonna do, well, I'm gonna show you the two pieces at the end that I love the most in the apartment besides the sofa. Then I got this coffee table, don't mind that like that, it's because of work, from IKEA. It's very easy to put together, very stable, and I mean it goes well with the apartment. Initially I didn't want to get this, but because it was cheap and it looks well here, I figured why not. Oh, that is one of my dog lives at my parents' house, so she comes and sleeps over with me sometimes. So these rattan stools I got from Wayfair. These are called Homemade Square Rattan Accent Tools. I believe that's what it is. They were pretty cheap on Wayfair. I loved them. I have people over, I put a blanket over them if people are gonna sit on it, because you know, it is a little uncomfortable, but for decoration, it was great. And I wanted it to kind of match with that rattan decor, so that's just my thing. Then I'm gonna go off by this. So this rod, let me get up here on my couch. Alright, so here, as you can see, it's kind of brown and it has line streaks on them. I went to Home Goods and they had many options, but I liked this one the best because again, it went really well with my apartment and the color schemes that I had, like the accent schemes that I have. I'm gonna keep it forever because I really like it. And then we go to the curtains. The deal with the curtains is a whole entirely different story. I'm gonna show you the curtains in my room. The curtains that are currently in my room were originally out here because this is a 96-inch. Long story short, I had to switch off the curtains. That's why this is shorter, because it was in my room. So this one, obviously it fits in my room more, but I really needed blackout curtains in my room, so I just switched them off, and that's why it's kind of like cut off there. But whatever, I just let it alone there. I think it looks nice, and I'm not gonna spend any more money on curtains because I swear I took so much time off that. So there you go. I got the rod at Home Goods and I got the curtains from Amazon. So I'll put all the links down below in the description if you guys are interested in it. Then we have my TV stand. So my TV was actually gifted to me from my parents. I don't know where they got it from. I want to say that they got it from Brandsmore. I'm not sure. But the TV stand is from IKEA. And according to my dad, because Thanks, Bob. I didn't help him put it together, and he said that it took a while. It holds a lot of things inside, and I love it. I think it's the perfect height for a TV stand. You know, it holds in a lot of things. It opens and closes very easily. Then I have these stools that I got for the kitchen. So it's pretty, don't mind everything, it's kind of like a mess right now. They are all white, and they come on with a silver thing here to put your feet. Very easy to put together. I got it off Amazon and I love it. If you look closely, little boo-boo that I made, it's not fully on straight. It kind of makes like a tiny dent, but that's on purpose. I really like it. I've been thinking about putting a cushion on top of it, but it doesn't bother me at all. And I mean, it's where I eat my dinner and stuff, so it works out. Beautiful, in my opinion, carpet. This is an 8x10. I purposely wanted it. So I don't know if you guys, I mean, I kind of wanted my apartment to be like a coastal thing. Hopefully that you can kind of see that. But my carpet I got from Wayfair. It's 8x10. It's called Brandon Oriental Blue Area Rug. It's very thin, so you can see. And how the carpet looks like. I'm not sure what this kind of material is called. I just think it goes really well together with the apartment. I love it so much. I love my living room. Of course I want tweaks. Like I said, I didn't have time. You know, initially I wanted to put green accents on both sides so that it looks symmetrical, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is for now, and then the stools. And then I have this rug that I got from Wayfair. It's for the entrance, there it is. It's a lot thicker, as you can see. It's rattened, and it's pretty rough. I love it so much. Again, it goes with my other accents in my apartment. These pillows I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, unfortunately, they're going out of business, I believe, so I wouldn't be able to have a link provided for you guys, but I loved the color scheme. It's pretty soft here. You can see this one is very soft as well, and this one is more jean. And I got this at Home Goods. Guys, you have to go to Home Goods. It's really good. So this is how big the blanket is. It's very soft, it's pretty big. I'd say that it's where I just get all comfy and cozy on my couch. Two favorite pieces in the living room has to be that and that. And for just one reason only, and it's because it was a steal. I got these both at Goodwill, and they were each $10. And this is an original from Kirkland's. This was a bamboo piece that I found in Goodwill as well. Now it's broken here. So that's why they marked it down to $10, because originally they had it at $30. Just love it. So there you go. Now we're gonna go off to my bedroom. Okay, so this is my bedroom. Now, I'm not going to discuss this part because all of this I got from my parents' house, which is my childhood home. I'm just gonna discuss things that I actually purchased. And I wanna start off, oh, don't mind my guitar, I was just practicing. I wanna start off with the curtains. And as you can see, it goes all the way down to the floor. That's why this was originally in the living room. This is 96 inches, and the one in the living room is 86 inches, I believe. But the reason I moved it here is because it's not as sheer as the one that's in the living room. It's a little bit of a blackout, but it's not that bad either, so it helps me wake up early in the morning as well. Yeah, I never really figured out the whole curtain situation, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, like I said, and figure it out when I move out again. So these nightstands, I have one here and I have another one there. I got at Amazon. Very easy to put together. I actually don't have a lot of things. I guess I do. Oh, I was looking for this. Oh my gosh. The headboard I got from Wayfair, and I don't have the name of the title right now, but I put it in the description below. Leather. It's fake leather, but it's very smooth, very thick, and it's very cushioned. Highly recommended. I hired like a task. I forget what the company is called, but they put it in for me because there's no way I was gonna do this by myself. This is way too hard. The bedding, my mom actually made it, so I couldn't tell you where I got it. I still have a lot to do on my bed because, in my opinion, it's a little like empty, but that's okay. These pillowcases I got from Home Goods. They're kind of jean, so you can hear. And fizzles here on the border. And then these pillowcases I got at Home Goods also, and they're super comfy, very comfy. Even I'm just gonna flip this over. Even this, the sheet I got at Home Goods as well. So all my bedding stuff I got at Home Goods. I just go to Home Goods a lot. I really like it. And then we're gonna go to the lamps. These lamps, they work. They are functional, obviously. They're doing the job that I needed them to do. The only thing I didn't like is that they were a lot smaller than I thought they were. But I had already purchased them. I was just not gonna return them again. And I mean, you know, what matters is like me having light in the room. But if you are interested in these lamps, they are very beautiful in my opinion. It kind of has like a shell, like a shell decor, I guess I would say, feel to it. This is how it sounds. And it comes with this. It's very nice. And you just put the light bulb inside. And it has a switch that goes, this is the switch. It's on. That's how it looks like. You got the light. And off. And then, well, off and then on. There you go. Last thing that I wanted to show you all is my mirror. I am very impressed with this find because it was originally for $80 and I got it for $30. The height is perfect for me. And there you go. One tip that I have when you guys want to go furniture shopping is have a lot of patience. I mean, if you're on a budget, have a lot of patience. Take your time actually going to different stores before you purchase anything. Compare, contrast. Same thing with online stuff. Look at every online store, compare the prices. Because I'm gonna tell you that everything I bought took me a while because I wanted to make sure that I was investing, because I wanted to make sure that I was getting good deals, honestly. I wouldn't call it being frugal, I would be calling being smart. And yeah, so I would just go to Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls, Bed Bath & Beyond, IKEA. The list goes on. I was going to malls and just taking pictures of things that I liked. What was better? What was this? And Wayfair is probably one of my favorite places to shop at. They're just so cheap. And I have heard a lot of pros and cons about Wayfair. And when people tell me their bad experiences on Wayfair, I have no idea what they're talking about because fortunately I have not had that experience. I have amazing experiences at Wayfair. They deliver things fast, easy. They offer people to assemble things for you. And the products are very cheap. I would do it again over and over and over. I loved it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my apartment. And again, I'll leave all the descriptions down below. I apologize if I didn't articulate them well in the video. I just genuinely do forget some of the names of them, but I will leave it in the descriptions below. Feel free to stick around and look at my playlist. I have one for natural beauty, hair, nails, skincare, also vlogs. If you would like to support my channel, feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate it very much, and give my video a thumbs up, comment down below with any questions, comments, or suggestions, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!